had 2 full days of equilibrium, and today we're so close to getting to that playoff tournament.
You guys are the leaders of tomorrow. I see what tomorrow is gonna be like every time I come to a first competition because you guys are that awesome.
This final game starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
Winning Alliance Award goes to Team Venezuela, Team Mexico, Team Panama, and Team Cameroon.